first reaction? Is Steph sleeping?
Yeah. But this is so nice. Well, I'll be right here, and you'll be right here.
Yeah.
Hi, Steph.
We're exposing her.
Steph. Oh, hi, Steph. Are you so happy to see us? Is this even recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Look at that teapot. Yeah, he wants a vlog. You should tell his son to vlog. Everybody say hi. Great. We're going to a secret location. OMG! Where are we going? I don't know. We gotta find it. We're here. That's so pretty. We're at the first destination, tea time with the girls. I was able to predict that we were gonna have tea time because we're all in florals. Now they're taking us on the public transit. I feel like we're going to Boston Commons. Like very nice weather. You know, we gotta walk off the alcohol and the carbs. That's my prediction. Girls are getting to know each other. Realize they don't really know each other. They're scheming out there. That's why they put me in the bathroom and told me how to record stuff in this bathroom. Tell the people like what the bathroom looks like. I'm getting there's a fire. Wait, it actually is a fire. Can we go in? There's stuff in my teeth. There was during the meal. Oh! Linda's taking us down an alleyway. Sketchy alleyway. It's safe. It's safe. Listen, Linda! Do you feel safe? Do you feel safe? I trust Linda with my life. Heard it here first. We just got off the train and we're heading towards the library to check out some books. Yeah. To like reminisce on those days where we were always... Oh. Yeah. Let's check out the view. Oh, Ethan. I don't know where she's going. Where are you going? Easy? We're going down? I'm just kidding. We're going over there. Oh, sorry. Where are we going? I don't know. Ah! Because you and two gonna be together. Two together. Forever. There are 4 7 Swarovs. Okay. I'm gonna need everyone to sign this paper. So cute. So for this, I'm gonna like stop and so real. This is not peaceful. It's not. Switch it on. Just keep going. Oh, you're not threaded. Rethread it. Would it come Monday or? Yeah. Look how far they are. Taking me to the Chanel.
nail store. How do I get your feet? You think they're strutting right now? That's how Linda walks, bro. That's literally just Linda. We're running back to the car. It's a race. We gotta get to the venue. All of them are in Gian's car. And then you're by yourself. Oh, this is such a good shot. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Man, it's ruining the shot.
Why are so many people though?
Hopefully make it. We're almost there.
30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds.
Oh man, I'm just getting the. Don't put the camera in front of me. Don't walk in front of me.
There's no focus.
Ah, I can feel it. I feel like it's on the right side.
This
looks like it's it. Wow.
The lake house. We're here. Vamos. Wow.
Wow. So exciting.
I feel like
Oh no.
Day one, rehearsal day. Just took a 2-hour drive to get to the venue. But boys are here, the groomsmen are here, the bride is about to come, the bridesmaid is about to come as well. So it starts. Okay. Starts at 4:30 in the rehearsal.
Dude, what is it? Weren't you ahead of us?
We're checking the location.
You like just pulled in like after we did.
Yeah, I just got here.
How you feel?
Wow, this is so nice.
well, there's even a couch to chill. Oh, this is the part.
Ooh. Wow. So nice.
How you guys doing?
I got vlogger.
I saw you guys had a tea time.
Oh yeah.
How'd that go?
That was fun.
Albert. Yeah, I played tennis with them. It was a
Oh. So you have that.
It's like once. It was like very
Do you think this is like the wedding's happening today, or are they also doing?
I think there's four. Yeah.
Okay, so this is it, right? This is
This is the dance floor.
So basically the ceremony's gonna be outside if it's not raining.
Yeah.
And then if it's raining, then it'll be in here. But this is gonna be where the reception is. This is basically the cocktail hour. So these doors will be closed. We will walk in through this door right here.
how do we? Is there doors that lead like right outside from right here, or do you have to go through like a side thing?
Bro, who was driving? I kept looking at your location for like 15 minutes and then you gained on us. Like, we're like, holy shit.
Killing it. Yeah. That's it. Up.
How's the flight, guys?
So there's gonna be like
Not bad.
the chairs right here, right?
Yeah, the chair's right here.
Wow.
Yeah, and then the arc will be like right. Yeah, I think you guys. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be standing right here.
Da, 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 da. Oh. I'm
How much
vlogging.
distance are we doing for each person? What's the distance? What's the 8 count?
There, Savina got it. That's a good
Wait,
eight
that's
count.
a good pace. That's a good pace.
Set up here on the grass, right?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, Shirley, you got it. Wait, this is so good. Wait. Wait, they're so good. This is such a good pace.
She was my videographer.
Young Kai.
Who's first?
You're welcome. off Allegra. I think here it's not.
Yo, this is crazy.
We're doing the rehearsal right now. Oh, I don't think I've ever said hi to you, Peter.
Yeah,
Nice
Peter, yeah.
Nice to meet you, Peter. So we got the bridesmaids going to their positions right now. The bride.
Alright guys, come on down.
Now the groomsmen are coming. We'll do a redo, a preview.
A preview.
Alright, Peter, is there anything as far as ceremony that you would like to go over right now? Whoa, we did it! Yay!
So we're going to stop right
Are
here.
you recording?
Yeah.
As you head on out, oh my gosh,
no,
it's not
that's
my best
okay.
day too. On your way out, your photographer is gonna stop you again halfway down, so stop halfway down and then you're gonna go all the way out. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So we should
Pause right here.
pause and then we probably kiss again, right?
And then what?
Okay, and then
Oh my gosh,
Walk.
they just got married. Crazy. No, don't do that. You already talked about that.
We practiced it.
wow, wow, wow.
Yeah.
Gang, 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 gang.
Why are they hovering?
It's a good way. It's a good way. It's a good way.
You should say it. And then I'm gonna have you do exactly what you just said.
We can walk. Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, dude, that brings it I was lined up to do the practice walk.
So I'm gonna be standing here. I'll tell you when to walk. How you feeling? You look beautiful. You should be. And then I'm gonna have you do exactly what you just said.
No, I think this one we just walk.
We just walk.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think she'll probably just find one.
Okay.
The red carpet walk.
Yeah, walk slow. Don't walk fast.
I could walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want.
Good job, Ellie.
I would let you fall in love on that wonder moonlight skies with you.
Turning pages.
I think I'll picture us with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air. So let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Alright, done with the rehearsal. Boo boo boo. Groomsmen over there. We're done with the rehearsal. We're about to head back to Linda Belinda's house, and we gave a house tour a couple of months ago, and we're going there to celebrate kind of the pre-wedding, actually, because the whole bridal party would be there. And a rumor is that I heard Leon was being a housewife, so let's see what he prepared for us. An hour and 30 minutes driving without.
Can you start?
Oh. Without traffic.
What does he got?
Yes, sir.
Turn around, turn around. Shoes are fam.
Pause for the cam.
Hey.
Oh my god!
The cats are crazy. Mateo and Susie.
Oh, they swapped it?
By accident.
wasn't recording.
Three different photos, 2 different phases of 2, 1 different phase of Shirley. Seen them all. Spaceman.
I'm not buzzing my skies with you.
That one I need 10 minutes. Huh?
How long did it take you to make this?
Shoulder I smoked since 8 or 9, I think. And the other stuff was probably like 4 hours. So.
Oh wow.
This was slow cooked, that was smoked.
So good. It's like kind of Cancun stuff.
Wow, everything's like matcha. Where'd you go?
Was that all?
That's all. That's a new.
I'll say it for the wedding. I'll say it for the wedding.
Second to last.
We got Belinda. She's also a YouTuber.
Linda.
Are we gonna get a group tour?
Oh, link to the last vlog right here.
Yeah, come through the window.
What does B&G stand
Oh, right here.
What is
Everyone can see him. Shoot them.
What does B&G stand for?
Get it introduced.
Oh, to who?
Come this way.
I've already met everybody.
Bowling day.
Shoot, I wasn't recording any of that.
Okay. Everyone grab your
What?
poison.
Why did you grab it now? What is that?
It's an entry for the game.
My straw needs to be longer.
Okay, I'll do the other one. Don't do the other one.
Alright.
Oh, maybe it's 2. I'll go.
Oh, nice.
Oh, let's go!
Time to lock in.
No context. No context.
Press it, Sean. Press it.
Hips.
Full power.
Full duty.
This is the warm up.
You can go get whatever you need to lock up.
Oh my god, that is breaking! Go for it.
Are we going?
Oh, dude, we're 1v1ing. So like each team signs up if they're like. But you can't use your hands. What is going on? What? Ah! Oh, he almost had it.